A mother and her 2 daughters, broken down on the side of the highway, become the tragic target for an out-of-control tractor trailer. In the wreckage, State Troopers Wade Palmer and Timothy Ray T.J. Templeton find the daughters alive. But somehow, the mother is missing. They begin the frantic search as traffic hammers down over black ice and snow.
I suspected that this was initially going to be a fatality crash. There was no screaming, no movement that I could see coming from anywhere.
It's a race against time.
Every second counts when you're looking for somebody in this condition.
Suddenly, a bystander runs from the edge of the highway, darting into harm's way.
Ma'am!
This Good Samaritan leads them right to the missing motorist. She is just inches from the highway.
That's the mother. That's who I've been looking for. Once I got there, she had extensive trauma.
But miraculously,
We got one female in the median, bleeding heavily, still alive.